What is going on, everybody? Crustless Crypto here, back in the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a giveaway going on right now. I'm giving out $100 worth of EGLD. I'll put the video in the card above me if you want more details and if you're interested in participating. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. Make sure you guys are checking it out, bookmark it if you want to, as well as following me on my Twitter page at Crustless Crypto. Links are in the description or comment section down below. Now, guys, I want to talk more about Elrond, right? There's a lot of juicy news that are out, and I hope you guys are ready for it. So we're going to start with the price here, and right now it's sitting at $312. It had a very slight pullback, and as you can see here, it's still sitting above $6 billion market cap. But guys, people are probably taking profits after the new all-time highs that it was reaching. And in my opinion, I'm not concerned about it. If you want to go and get some discounts, a 10% discount, feel free to, because honestly, there's too much things going to be coming out, and the price is completely undervalued in my honest opinion. So you guys, if you guys are worried about the price, I wouldn't worry about it. Short term, maybe it will go down, but for the long term, obviously, I am very bullish in it going to $1,000 in the near future and continue to rise from there. Now, guys, I'm sure everyone knows, but I kind of want to cover it myself. Benjamin Minku had came out with a post saying today, which was yesterday, the Maiar DEX becomes 1,000 times more powerful, 1,000 times more incentives, 1,000 times more opportunities, and 1,000 times more MEX for everyone. So the MEX supply is upgrading from billions to trillions, and supercharged economics for global adoption, built and fully owned by people of the new web. So guys, what exactly this is, right? The original supply was in the billions. Now what they did was multiply that into trillions of supply. And a lot of people are concerned with this, right? That why would they do this? It would devalue each single unit of the currency. Now, there's a good reason for it. Coming from the Moonwalker, right? He said trillion supply, very smart, that would jump on the Shiba hype. Huge supply is just the trend at the moment. Why shouldn't fundamentally solid coins also use this advantage? So, as we can see here, right? If we multiply that MEX supply, right, it's going to lower the value 1,000 times. Now, the important thing to understand here, right, a lot of people like to have this psychological feeling of owning a lot of a certain coin, and people wish, many investors out there wish that their coin would reach a cent, 10 cents, or $1, even though the market supply is in the trillions. Now, it's that psychological factor that can actually increase the price of coins like this. Look at Shiba Inu, look at Dogecoin, where they have super high market supplies, right? A lot of coins that are minted on those blockchains, on those networks. Now, Maiar, the Elrond network, is trying to reach this same objective, get that hype so people can have that feeling that they're owning a lot of coins. Some really good points coming from some individuals that I've seen. They say that they're doing it because less informed individuals like holding large number of coins. Now, it's just marketing, which is never a bad thing. I personally don't like it, but in the grand scheme of things, this fundamentally doesn't change anything. Also, on the topic of MEX, I personally think it's smart. I see the SHIB comparison come by, and as Gem Finder stated, but then with actual use cases, a lot to think of, right? But just like that stray dog coin, this enables masses of people to buy in at a price they can accumulate, use it directly in their DEX farm, and build a better network. Simply put, the next billion users will come, and they will all want to be on the Maiar DEX using the Elrond network. So some people are very bullish on this. Some people are pessimistic, but in my honest opinion, I'm not worried about it. That just gives us more opportunity. And in the long term, I think it's good that they did this. Better now than later, because they could have, been a real bad PR move, but the way that they did it, they executed it, I think, very well. So continuing on from that, speaking of MEX, right, they just released that you are able to claim your MEX, right, yesterday as well. Now the Maiar Exchange token is now claimable, internet scale, powerful user interface, supercharged economics, and fully community owned, guys. So make sure you guys are claiming your MEX out there. I know I already did. I'm not going to tell you how much, but I got, I'm in the millions, not as much as other people, but I am in the millions. Now, you have over 309 billion MEX have already been claimed. So keep that in mind, guys. 309 billion have already been claimed, and that's over half of the MEX that is available to claim. So make sure you guys go to the Maiar exchange. If you guys have the app, make sure you guys update the Maiar app, because you will not see the option to claim the MEX, nor would you be able to have the wallet showing you your MEX balance. So make sure you update it on the app. You might have to go into the App Store or a Play Store to update it manually. And make sure you guys refresh your Maiar exchange page just like this. It has to show this kind of dark theme, and if it doesn't, make sure you guys clear your cookies, clear cache, or close your browser and restart it. So once you get to this page, you guys can just link your wallet and just start claiming the MEX. Make sure you have EGLD available to claim, because it's going to cost a super tiny transaction fee. I'm very happy that I was able to claim it, and I hope everyone is successful in claiming theirs as well. Coming from Julian Pascalau, MEX, the Maiar DEX token launch is here. Several core products have been updated to make this possible: the protocol, the Maiar app, web wallet, Explorer, Ledger app, and others. The EGLD ecosystem shifts into high gear, and he is bringing the weekly Elrond tech. So a lot to cover here. Let's start with the first one here. All hands on deck for the Maiar exchange launch. The first step, claiming MEX, requires large amounts of efforts to prepare, verify, and adjust several components of our infrastructure, products, and web tools so the MEX claim process can run smoothly. ESDT tokens such as FT, SFT, and NFTs are now first-class citizens in our products. The Maiar app gets its first token, the MEX, with the lock MEX variation. Minting an NFT in the web wallet is now a few clicks away, and the Explorer now displays individual token transfers. NFT feedback implemented to have the artist as the creator, even if NFTs are minted via the smart contract. Execute on destination by caller allows the user to be the creator and get ticker IDs from this smart contract. Multiple artists can register a single brand but have their name on the created art. Added the validation on media type at NFT creation, bug fixes on the NFT service, Launchpad smart contract final implementation fixes and discussions, more testing on the stablecoin smart contract, and refactored the new version of Tri-Storage and implemented some improvements for the snapshotting process. Audits discussion on the multi-sharded DEX. We made a few optimizations and small architectural changes to make the system even more safer and simpler. We are trying to find attack vectors and resolve them, and working together with an external audit company. So this is amazing. This is good. Started implementation of a rejecting mechanism for transactions with gas limit higher than maximum accepted. Ethereum Elrond bridge refactoring and improvements in the state machine execution added complete flow integration tests. Ethereum Elrond bridge added ERC20 balance checks and added status handler components. Added network speed prints in the Elrond Go node tri-sync components. Added new queries for the Maiar exchange analytics, and lastly added more data for tokens analytics. And then they perform multiple tests on smart contracts and set up for upcoming MEX claim event, and released the Elrond WASM 0.22.0, which provides a mechanism for safe management of smart contract endpoints. So guys, truly amazing news here. There was a lot to cover here, and yes, I did not go through each one of them. But if you guys are interested in reading the rest of the updates, make sure you guys go into the link that I have attached in the description down below. And lastly, just to wrap this up here, last week in EGLD, if you guys are not tracking this, right, Holoride debuts on the Maiar Launchpad. So again, Holoride is on there, and it's the first project. So make sure you guys check it out. If you guys are in a country that can take part in the lottery, make sure you guys go and do that, your KYC. MEX token claim is in progress, like we've stated. Elrond NFT bridge launched by the XP network, and then from billions to trillions, 1000x MEX supply. So just wrapping it up here, right? Very, very important that we understand that there's a lot of stuff going to be coming out with the Elrond network and the Maiar exchange, and I'm so happy to take part of this, like I always am. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do you guys think of all these updates and news? I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.